Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify color consistency using DaVinci Resolve scopes, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Navigate to the color workspace by clicking on the color tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the clip you want to analyze from the timeline. In the top right corner, locate the scopes panel. If the scopes panel is not visible, enable it by clicking on view in the top menu and selecting scopes. Once the scopes panel is open, choose the appropriate scope for your analysis. For color consistency, the waveform and vectorscope are the most useful. Select the waveform scope to observe the brightness and luminance levels across your clip. Adjust the settings of the waveform by clicking on the small gear icon if you need more detail. Next, switch to the vectorscope to analyze the color information in your clip. The vectorscope will display the distribution of colors and their saturation levels. Look for the target area on the vectorscope which corresponds to skin tones or specific colors you want to maintain. Compare the colors in the vectorscope to the colors in your clip. Identify any discrepancies in color saturation or hue. To check for consistency, play your clip and observe how the colors shift throughout the timeline. Take note of any sections where the color deviates significantly from the reference. Use the color wheels to adjust the black, mid, and highlight tones as needed. If necessary, create color correction nodes for different sections of your clip. Revisit the scopes after each adjustment to ensure you are moving closer to your target colors. Continue this process until you achieve the desired color consistency. Always remember to periodically toggle between your original clip and your corrected version. Use the split screen feature if you want to compare side by side. Finalize your adjustments and ensure all clips in your project share a similar color treatment. When satisfied, export your project and review it on different displays to confirm color accuracy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.